You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. I know the spelling makes it a little bit confusing, maybe. Is it? Let me know in the comments if you want to learn more confusing names. Stay tuned. It's usually pronounced in English quite simply as Janie. Yes, you know the name Jane. Well, it's the same but with an E sound. Janie. So it's not Jania. Do you pronounce it Jania? Let me know in the comments. How do you pronounce it? Any other ways? It's usually in English Janie. English pronunciation Janie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.